Hello everyone, I am Bahare and in this video I want to teach you 12 simple games to improve your child's fine motor skills. The first game, items needed, pasta and thread. The second game, items needed, hair tie and jar. The third game, items needed, clothespin, cartoon and marker. The fourth game, items needed, clothespin and pom pom. The fifth game, items needed, clothespin and bottle. The sixth game, items needed, cotton swab and toilet paper tubes. The seventh game, items needed, clothespin, bottle cap and paper cup. The eighth game, items needed, straw and thread. The ninth game, items needed, bottle and toothpick. The 10th game, items needed, coin, thread and piggy bank. The 11th game, items needed, straw, cartoon and cotton swab. The 12th game, items needed, upslang, cartoon and gouache. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and play these games with your child.